Is your Tineco vacuum brush roller not spinning? This is a common issue that can usually be fixed with a few simple troubleshooting steps. First, check your vacuum's display screen for any error icons. These indicators can help identify the specific problem. Always power off and unplug your vacuum before performing any maintenance. This ensures your safety during the cleaning process. Remove the brush roller from your vacuum. Look for hair, debris, or dirt wrapped around the roller that could prevent it from spinning freely. Use the provided cleaning tool or scissors to carefully cut away any tangled hair or debris. Be thorough in removing all obstructions from the brush roller. Clean the brush chamber, connector, and pins in the tube with a cloth to ensure good electrical contact. Also, inspect the connecting tube and motor air inlet for any blockages. Reinstall the brush roller carefully, ensuring it's properly seated. Power on your vacuum and test to see if the brush roller now spins correctly. These basic troubleshooting steps resolve most brush roller spinning issues. If the problem persists after following these steps, you may need more advanced solutions. When basic cleaning doesn't solve your brush roller problem, it's time for advanced diagnostics. The issue might be a damaged brush motor or poor electrical connections. Connect the mini power brush directly to the main motor. If it rotates normally, the problem lies within the connecting tube or wand, not the motor itself. For more advanced diagnosis, you can test the electrical connections using a multimeter and DC power supply. Use a multimeter to test voltage output from the vacuum and check connectivity of the wand. This helps identify if the issue is electrical rather than mechanical. Professional testing equipment can help diagnose complex electrical issues. However, most problems can be prevented with proper maintenance. Prevention is the best solution. Clean your vacuum at least once a month to ensure optimal performance and prevent brush roller issues. While some Tineco models have self-cleaning functions, manual cleaning is still essential for maintaining peak performance. Remember, Tineco offers a 2-year product warranty and emphasizes customer satisfaction. If advanced troubleshooting doesn't resolve the issue, contact their support team.